Hello, my name is Viren Modi, and this is the design comparison video for Program 2, Take a Hike. My first focus is function decomposition, and when I first looked at Ray's code, I was just happy to look at it, and it motivated me to write code the way Ray wrote his or her code. Because if you look at the way they handled the tasks, is they broke them down into smaller tasks, like is valid, and it was just one line. Evaluate the difference in elevation, 2 lines, and then 3 different functions to handle the different directions and what those changes in elevation would be if they were valid. So that got me thinking that Ray probably handled every task and put them into smaller functions. The thing that caught me by surprise was that when it came time to comparing which was the minimum elevation, Ray did that all within the draw the lowest elevation path. So I thought Ray would have done it put that into a separate function. On the other hand, in Nima's code, all of those calculations, all of those tasks were handled right in the draw lowest elevation path function. They weren't done separately. However, they chose variable names that seemed to be clear enough that it wasn't always necessary to figure out what exactly was going on. Everything was straightforward and clear. My second area of focus is handling ties and elevation change. One thing I noticed is that the rand.nextInt was not used properly because 1 represents a random number between 0 and 0 and not 0 and 1. On the other hand, you'll notice that Nima only handled the minimum case, but not when there are any ties in elevation. And that's the end of my review.